Frequent flyers, flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyers back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer. Welcome back to the channel. Smash the like button to show your support. And if you're new to the channel, I'd like to extend a warm welcome. And so today is Throwback Thursday, y'all. So I'm out here with one of my classics. And this time I'm out here with the Hubsan H501S. And so this is the original one. I do have the later one, the later model, but this is the original one. And this thing is an awesome little flyer here. Brushless motors and all. Check it out. Has a 1080p camera on it and all. And so this thing was a favorite among us RCers for a while. And it's still one of my favorites. I actually had 3 of these. I probably had more than 3, but I gave some away. I kept 2, so I have this one. I actually kept 3. I have this one, I have another white one, and I have a black one. But the black one is the 501A, I believe it is, the one that does Wi-Fi and 5.8 gigahertz FPV. But I already did all of the stuff that you need to do to get this guy started. Calibrated the compass and the GPS and all of that stuff. The home position is locked, and so we're going to get this guy up in the air. I didn't want to run it long. I'm not going to do anything spectacular with it, because it's starting to get dark here. I just wanted to take it up and just fly it. I do have an SD card in there, so I probably I might record some video, whatnot, if I could get everything working correctly. But let's get it in the air. We're in GPS mode. Check it out. Let's move it out here a little further. Nice and stable bird. Oops, I'm going down a little too far with it. And check it out. GPS mode is pretty stable. I took off the self-centering throttle on my transmitter here, so it's going up a little. You can put this bird in manual mode, which makes it fly like a traditional Hubsan X4. And so that's why I removed the auto centering off the left throttle, the left stick. And you guys see, you can't really fly it that sporty in GPS mode. It wants to stop. It keeps pulling back on me. It wants to fly steady. So let's see if I can get the video going with this guy. I can't remember what button starts the video on this. Let's see. How do I start video recording with this guy? I don't want to hit the wrong button.
A few moments later.
Let me see. Okay, it's recording now. I had to hit the enter button. See this? This bird came with a different transmitter, and I hooked it up to this transmitter to try to get the best experience out of it. Let's take it up kind of high since we're getting some video. I'm looking up in the air, trying to give you guys a shot of it. It's really windy out here too. So it's fighting. It's not stabilized. The video isn't stabilized, and so that's why it's wobbling around a lot. That's where all the noise is coming from, over there on the highway. I think it's too far up for me to get it in frame. bring it down a little. Okay. Back down lower. And I can't remember if this guy stops recording, records in intervals or not, but I'm just going to stop it. And press the enter button again to stop it. And there's a way to get these lights to stay on too. I can't remember that. Let me see. One of these buttons you hold or something.
A few moments later.
Okay, there it is. So you hold down the throttle trim button, and that gets the lights to stay on. So this is the night mode here. Looks awesome, right? And you can adjust, you can go in and adjust like the controls, like the rates and all. I think I have the rates all the way up for it. I always keep the rates all the way up on my drones that I fly usually. I'm trying to sporty fly this guy in GPS mode. Okay, let's come out of GPS mode. Let's see, which mode is, come out of GPS mode. Okay, we're in altitude mode now. See the lights change colors. We have purple in the front and orange in the rear. So now I should be able to sporty fly it a little better. Check it out. It's going a little faster now. I could probably get a little speed fast. Check it out. You know. You know. H501S. Back in the day, somebody would have thought this thing was a UFO. Before we had drones and stuff. Okay, let me see where we are with the battery and everything. 7.1 volts it says. This is the 2S bird. No flying for y'all. Try not to hit the ground with it. Hubsan H501S, guys. Awesome flyer from back in the day. Thanks for watching.